What am I doing?
I am knocking on the door.
Knocking.
What am I doing?
I am squeezing an orange.
Squeezing.
What am I doing?
I am crushing a can.
Crushing.
What am I doing?
I am pressing the button.
Pressing.
What am I doing?
I am wringing the towel.
Ringing.
What am I doing?
I am flattening the dough.
Flattening.
What am I doing?
I am squashing a bug.
Squashing.
What am I doing?
I am stirring my coffee.
Stirring.
What am I doing?
I am tearing paper.
Tearing.
What am I doing?
I am peeling a banana.
Peeling.
What am I doing?
I am pumping the bike tire.
Pumping.
What am I doing?
I am pushing the shopping cart.
Pushing.
What is this called?
Patting,
What is this called?
slapping,
What is this called?
pinching,
What is this called?
flicking,
What is this called?
scrolling,
What is this called?
punching,
What is this called?
swatting,
What is this called?
tickling,
What is this called?
scratching,
What is this called?
squeezing,
What is this called?
rubbing,
What am I doing? I am watering the plants. What am I doing? I am walking the dog. What am I doing? I am feeding the dog. What am I doing? I am painting the wall. What am I doing? I am wrapping the gift. What am I doing? I'm hanging the clothes. What am I doing? I am polishing the shoes. What am I doing? I am folding the laundry. What am I doing? I am washing the dishes. What am I doing? I am wiping the table.
What am I doing? I am boiling eggs.
Boiling.
What am I doing? I am baking a cake.
Baking.
What am I doing? I am frying fries.
Frying.
What am I doing? I am grilling meat.
Grilling.
What am I doing? I am steaming fish.
Steaming.
What am I doing? I am sautéing onions.
Sautéing.
What am I doing? I am poaching an egg.
Poaching.
What am I doing? I am stir-frying vegetables.
Stir-frying.
What am I doing? I am marinating meat.
Marinating.
What am I doing? I am blanching tofu.
Blanching.
What am I doing? I am chopping onions.
Chopping.
What am I doing? I am whisking eggs.
Whisking.
What am I doing? I am kneading dough.
Kneading.
What am I doing? I am dicing onions.
Dicing.
What am I doing? I am slicing mushrooms.
Slicing.
What am I doing? I am mincing meat.
Mincing.
What am I doing? I am mixing the seasonings.
Mixing.
What am I doing? I am grinding coffee beans.
Grinding.
What am I doing? I am mashing avocado.
Mashing.
What am I doing? I am grating cheese.
Grating. Can you name this action?
Push open. Pull open. Twist off. Tear open. Cut open. Unwrap. Unzip. Flip open. Crack open. Pop open. Pry open. Peel off.
What is this called?
Picking up.
What is this called?
Carrying.
What is this called?
Lifting.
What is this called?
Hoisting.
What is this called?
Pushing.
What is this called?
Pulling.
What is this called?
Throwing.
What is this called?
Tossing.
What is this called?
Packing.
What is this called?
Unloading.